You're watching DDS TV.
Oh yeah, they got it. That's alright. This oh, you flapping it. No.
I cannot comprehend how people have such low, respect for life. Speeding on city roads is one thing, but does the thought of a child crossing the street not cross their mind when driving like an idiot on residential roads? At first I was like, no way is anybody gonna try to cut across this late, and then bam, I still can't believe they didn't end up upside down sliding up the exit.
Governor Westmore announces his latest plan.
Westmore.
236. Your ring. It's beautiful. Way to go, Dave. I know, I love it. He went to Dominion.
I'd say this clip is pretty straightforward. The car failed to look and merged right into the Jeep.
Oh my God.
Oh no!
Honestly, it kinda looks like that driver wasn't planning on turning at all. Perhaps they didn't realize the road was ending in that T intersection. The red Hyundai Kona shouldn't have stopped on the main road, and to top that off, the whole cut-through should have been avoided, period. The driver decided that the best course of action was to swerve into the camera's lane. If you watch it closely, I think he had enough space and time to stop completely. Luckily, no car was on the right. I think it's kind of funny it doesn't say Swift on the flatbed, but I reckon it probably will soon. I guess this would be a friendly reminder to the camera that his vehicle does in fact have brakes. The car looks to be severely damaged coming down the ramp, likely fleeing other accidents they'd caused. The front bumper was missing, the rear bumper was dragging and sparking. It looks like full self-driving mode is getting more and more aggressive. Maybe this is the long-fabled Elon mode everyone keeps talking about.
Uh-oh. You see that? That
Just happened.
Yeah.
It looks like a failure to yield properly at the intersection resulted in this fender bender. A little more caution could have easily prevented this. The Honda Pilot driver makes a left turn from the wrong side of the street. I would say this is a little better with the zoomed in view. You'll see that the car pulls out of the side street into traffic and then causes a crash. It looks like getting rear-ended was on the top of that driver's bucket list that early morning. I'm glad that the camera was alert and was able to prevent a crash. The camera caught this guy throwing a firework out his window and nearly starting a fire. The camera put it out very promptly, saving everyone a massive headache. I think the driver of that white Tesla saw that narrowly avoided accident, threw it into reverse, and just noped back into the parking lot. That truck is too new to not have a backup camera on it. People need to learn to utilize their backup cameras. That's why it comes up on the little radio navigation screen when you put your car in reverse. The driver wanted to cross over 2 lanes to get to the on-ramp of 64 and in the process nearly hit the camera. The bicyclist lost that race against the car. Thankfully, the impact was not that serious.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originaldstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usadashcams.com, you